Alright, boys and girls, welcome to Growing Guitar and to a beautiful day here with 24kGoldn. We have Doghouse here. That's the title of the song. Great song. Fits guitar very well. So we're gonna take a look at this one. We have a couple of chords to go over and it goes in the same way through the entire song. We love that. So let's take a look at this without any capo. So let's start with the chords. We're going easy here with the E minor. So that will be open E, second A, second D, open G, open B, and open E. We have G next, so that is third on E, second on A, open D, open G, third B, and third E. We have C as well, so that is third on A, second on D, open G, first B, and open E. And the final chord will be D. We'll go with this version of it. And it's the exact same grip as the C, just move the same grip 2 frets towards you, like this, and you land at this position here with the 5th on A, 4th on D, open G, 3rd B, and open E. Alright, so E minor, G, C, and D. Alright, so we gotta take a look at the strumming pattern. It covers 2 chords most of the times here, so we have 2 different parts of it. So we're gonna take a look at the first 2 chords. I can just mention the chord progression here will be E minor to G, to D, back to G, C, and then D. That is how we're gonna work. And we're gonna take a look at the first 2 chords. That means E minor to G. So the first part will be down, 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 up. And here I'm playing the first 2 downs on the bass strings, and then the last down and down up on the higher notes down here. All right, so down, 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 up. Then you switch to the next chord, in this case the G, and play down, up, down, 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 up. So down, up, down, 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 up. Here, same scenario, you're gonna play the down, up, down, more on the bass strings. That's what I do. And then I answer with the last down, down, up in the same way as the part 1, more down here on the higher notes. So, like that. So if you combine these 2 parts, it will be E minor to G like this. Alright, so there we have the tempo. Alright, so we're gonna play E minor part 1 and G part 2 like we just learned. Then we're gonna go on with D part 1 and then G part 2. So E minor part 1, G part 2, D part 1, G part 2. Then you go to C and play 1 full round. That means part 1 and part 2 plus part 1. So that will be 1 full round plus part 1. And then on the last chord, the D, you're gonna play part 2. So that is what you're gonna work with. Slowly, 1 chord progression round will be like this. Yeah, so in a context here, 2 chord progression rounds will sound like this in standard tempo. Yeah, so you got it there, guys. 24kGoldn's Doghouse, nice song there. So give it a try. Hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to support me here on Goldn Guitar and play tuned.